Ever wondered why some websites rank higher on search engines than others? Well, the secret lies in the art of on-page SEO. This is a strategic process that involves optimizing individual web pages, making them more discoverable and relevant to search engines. It's not just about content, but about making that content easily accessible and identifiable. Through on-page SEO, websites can rise through the rankings, attracting more traffic and ultimately, more engagement. So, are you ready to dive deeper? Let's unravel the steps involved in the on-page SEO process. Scene script. Dive right into the heart of on-page SEO with these steps. Let's start by cracking the code of keyword research. This is the first and arguably the most crucial step in the process. Your mission here is to identify the right keywords that your target audience is using. Think about the words or phrases that they would type into a search engine when looking for the products, services, or information that you offer. There are several tools available online that can help you in this quest, such as Google's Keyword Planner or SEMrush. Next on the agenda is content creation. Now that you have your keywords, it's time to weave them into engaging and quality content. Remember, it's not about stuffing your content with keywords, but integrating them naturally and meaningfully. Your content should offer value to your audience and answer their queries. This will not only help you rank higher in search engine results, but also establish you as an authority in your field. Moving forward, we venture into the realm of meta tags. These are bits of HTML code in the page's head section that help search engines understand your content. This includes title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. Here's where your keywords come into play again. Incorporate them in these tags to improve your SEO. Next, let's talk about URL structure. The URL of the page should be SEO friendly and include the main keyword. A well-structured URL not only helps search engines crawl and index your page better, but also enhances user experience. Finally, we come to internal linking. This is all about linking your pages with each other in a meaningful way. By doing this, you can guide your visitors to more content, increasing the time they spend on your website. This not only improves user experience, but also boosts your SEO as search engines see this as a sign of a well-structured and useful website. Following these steps diligently will ensure that your web page is well optimized. And remember, SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Keep analyzing, optimizing, and evolving. So what have we learned about on-page SEO? Well, we've unraveled its significance and walked through the key steps involved. We've delved into keyword research, the foundation of your SEO strategy. We've discussed crafting stellar content that engages users and supports SEO. We've touched upon meta tags, URL structure, and the role of internal linking. Remember, on-page SEO is a vital part of your digital marketing strategy. It's time to put these steps into action and watch your website climb the search engine ranks.